Hey there! Today we're diving into one of nature's most delicious and nutritious fruits, avocados. Stick around as I share 10 healthy reasons to add avocados to your diet. You won't want to miss this. Rich in healthy fats. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol and support heart health. High in fiber, just one avocado gives you 7 grams of fiber. Great for digestion and feeling full longer. Loaded with vitamins, avocados are a powerhouse of vitamins C, E, K, and B6, all crucial for your skin, bones, and overall immunity. Supports eye health. Thanks to lutein and zeaxanthin, avocados help protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. Boosts nutrient absorption. Eating avocados helps your body absorb nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K more efficiently. Great for weight management, avocados are satisfying and help curb unnecessary snacking. Improves skin health. The healthy fats and antioxidants in avocados can give you glowing skin. Reduces inflammation. Avocados are rich in compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body. Supports brain health. The omega-3 fatty acids in avocados are fantastic for your brain and memory. Good for pregnancy. They're a natural source of folate, essential for expecting moms. Tips and tricks. Want unique presentation ideas? Try avocado cubes for salads or thin slices for toast art. Use an egg slicer for perfect slices every time. Place an unripe avocado in a paper bag with a banana to speed up ripening. Brush leftover avocado with lemon or lime juice. Cover tightly with plastic wrap and store in the fridge. Mash or dice avocados and freeze them in airtight containers for smoothies or guacamole anytime. Avocados aren't just tasty, they're a superfood with so many benefits. Try out these tips and tricks and let me know in the comments how you like to enjoy your avocados. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Subscribe for more fun, healthy, and helpful content.